In this video, I'll show you how you can pair your Bluetooth headphones to your PS5 Pro. Now keep in mind that you cannot directly connect them through Bluetooth connection. So if you try connecting the headset directly to your PS5 Pro, it will not work. Although there's a workaround that you can use that simply involves a Bluetooth transmitter. So with me, I have an audio stick or a Bluetooth transmitter that we will use to connect my Bluetooth headset. So all you have to do is connect this to your PS5 Pro. And then once it's connected, all you have to do is there's some buttons on this particular Bluetooth transmitter. So press and hold for about 2 seconds until the light starts blinking rapidly. And then from there, all you have to do is put your Bluetooth headset into pairing mode. So all you have to do is put them into pairing mode. And then once they're in pairing mode, all you have to do is put them close to the audio stick so that they can connect or establish a connection together. So give it a few seconds, and once the connection has been established, this light will stop blinking, indicating that they have successfully been paired. So let's wait for a few seconds. And also in some Bluetooth speakers, you should see or you should hear an audio cue indicating that the headset has been connected. As you can see, the light has stopped blinking. That means they have been connected. Now all you have to do now is grab your PS5 controller and press the PS5 button and then go to sound. And then from here, ensure that the output device is set to USB headset or the audio stick. And now from here, you can increase the volume for that particular headset or you can increase it. So that's basically it on how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.